If you or a loved one have been charged with a crime, or even investigated for a crime, it can be extremely stressful and frightening. You're undoubtedly thinking about your life, your reputation, your employment, your family. It's completely normal, but you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy Lackey, and I'm a founding partner of Lackey Miller. And as a former prosecutor of over a decade and a former deputy attorney general, I've spent years on the front line of criminal justice. Throughout my years as a prosecutor, I handled all sorts of cases, from juvenile drug cases to robbery to homicide. As a prosecutor, I was assigned to the Narcotics Task Force, investigating and prosecuting gun trafficking, drug possession, drug distribution. I've been in front of a jury on countless times. I know the feel of a courtroom. I understand the emotions on both sides, and that's what you need. You need an experienced criminal attorney to help you in these situations. At the Attorney General's office, I was assigned to the Gangs and Organized Crime Unit. We worked on large-scale, long-term investigations, resulting in racketeering charges, very serious offenses.
For more than 12 years, I prosecuted cases for the New Jersey Office of the Attorney General. During that time, I had the chance to put together some very complex investigations, to present those cases to the grand jury, and in many instances, to present those cases at trial. You need someone who has gone up against some of the best attorneys in the state. I have done that.
I was in the back room, working on the investigations, deciding who to charge, deciding who to search. Those are very important decisions, and when you have a defense attorney, you need somebody who was involved in those decisions, who was inside the mindset of the state. Being a former prosecutor gives me that unique perspective, and I use that knowledge to anticipate the moves made by the state and build strong defenses for my clients.
You need someone who understands that the prosecutor views every case through the filter of what are the documents and items that make this individual appear more guilty. What you need on the defense side is someone who's going to do that same complex review, but they're looking for all the exculpatory information, the information that makes you look innocent. At Lackey & Miller, we are meticulous, we are good on our feet, and we are strategic.
Our firm has 3 core values: strategic defense, aggressive advocacy, and personalized representation. We're playing a game of chess when it comes to these matters. And we're not obligated to take the state's word for it on any of their evidence. I've seen mistakes in police reports. I've seen mischaracterizations of evidence. I've seen bad expert opinions. I've seen terrible eyewitness identifications, which is usually completely unreliable. We use our years of experience to pick apart each and every aspect of the state's case. We leave no stone unturned. Personalized representation. It's essential for the attorney-client relationship. With everything going on in your life, you shouldn't have to worry about whether your attorney is going to return your phone call or whether your attorney is going to keep you up to date on your case. We pride ourselves in client communication because the case is important to you and it's important to us. When you need an attorney with experience who understands the criminal justice system, who's been on both sides of that aisle, trust us at Lackey & Miller. Give us a call.